Hello, parents. I am Dr. Mary L. Young, your fairy godmother of education, and I'm here to tell you how to win the battle in your child's school because I have all the secrets. Today is Drama Train Tuesday with the theme Self-Care Matters. One strategy for exercising self-care is taking 5 minutes to just meditate. Take 5 minutes to just breathe and release. And you'd be surprised about how just taking 5 minutes to breathe and release and meditate just relieves just a little bit of stress.